Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to hide likes on Instagram posts. So for that we have to go on our Instagram app. Right here I am on my account, on my profile. Then if I go to a post that I have and I want to hide this number of likes, we want to click on those 3 points in the right corner from the top of the page. And then click right here on hide like count. So as you can see, we have copy link, share to, delete, edit, and hide the like count. You have to click this, and now your like count is not showing anymore. It's hidden. So then let's say you want to hide the likes from all your posts and you don't want to click on every single post and hide your likes from every single post. So for that we have to click on those three lines in the right corner from the top of the page. Then go to settings and then go to privacy. And after that you have here this post. So we have private account, comment, and posts. Click on posts, and here you have hide, like, and view count. So you have to enable that, and now all your likes are now hidden from all your posts. So then let's say you want to post something and you want to hide your likes right away. So for that I will go ahead and post something. I will click on this plus icon and then I will click on feed post. And then I will click on this. So I'll go ahead and click on this arrow right here. Then again click on this arrow. And then here, as you can see, we have tag people, add location, add fundraiser, also post to Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, and after that, below Tumblr, we have advanced settings. So you have to click that. Here you have hide likes. And you can go ahead and enable that. And then if we go back and click done, now our post will have the likes hidden. So it's this one right here, and if someone likes our post, the number of likes won't be shown. So that's it guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, you can go and smash that like button, and you can also comment down below your thoughts. We are always happy to help you if you have some problems or whatever. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching, have a great day, bye bye.